Hello guy, and welcome you all to my YouTube channel once again. So on this channel we do video about the best prediction apps, how to develop your own mobile apps, and how you can actually access VIP apps on your mobile phone. Alright, so in today's video, the video is about how to win bets every day. So I'll be using SPORTYBET as an example right here. The strategy is very linear, and you can use it to make money every single day, maybe 2 or 3 times, 4 times in a day. Now we'll be making use of this column here that said football in the next 3 hours. You can do this if you are a basketball lover. Whatever you do, just pick or go for the matches that are available in the next 3 hours. The reason for doing that is you can actually make multiple money using the same thing. Okay, you don't need to wait for evening before you will be able to cash out your money. Now this is what you are going to do. Since you are using the next 3 hours, you just need to click on it. Okay, all the matches that will be available in the next 3 hours will be bring in front of you. Now it is your duty to make games very easy, and I always advise with these games you go for over or double chance. They are the best, or handicaps, they are the best in that. Okay, now we will be doing some predictions here. If you are watching the video early this morning, you can as well as make money out of it. Now this is how it works. It is your own plan. For me, if I wanted to use this strategy, I will always want 5 out of 1, which simply means that I'll be playing 5 games in a day. So in every 3 hour, I will just do the same thing. We know the day can with actually 12 hours, and when we divide 3 into that, we are going to be getting 4. But I always use it up to 9 p.m. Okay, now let's proceed. I'll be picking up some few games here, and also you must be disciplined with it. Maybe you want two to three odd in every hour. So for example, if I was able to get 2 to 3 odd, let me base it on just 2 odd. If I get 2 odd in a day and I was able to stake maybe around 500 Ghana CD per stake, I ended up winning 1,000. So at the end of the 5 stake, I will be able to make a profit of 5,000 Ghana cedis in a day. But I will still have to deduct my stake, which is 250 Ghana cedis from me, so 2,500 from me. So whatever you invest is going to be times 2. Yes, that is how this strategy work. I don't know if you get the point, depending on what you are investing. So you don't need to wait much. Don't go for the simultaneous reality games. I mean, these reality games, don't go for them. You can still go for them if you know how to play around it, but I want a real match over here, and I know few leagues, so I will be using the Republic of Korea these games this early morning for the tutorial. Yeah, so I always check statistics and also new histories. Now you can see shine go still 5020. They were not reliable for over 1.5, but one team will surely win anytime this team is at home. They've played draw once. Okay, so we're expecting away win or draw for this particular game. So I'll just be using first half, then I'll go for away win or draw. Then I'll come for the second game right here. Go to the statistics again. Check away win twice, draw twice, and also home team win once. And if you check here, they were all good with over 1.5 prediction in all out. Okay, over 1.5, and both team actually do score each other. So I'll just go straight to my favorite over here. Okay, it is not available. So let me pick over 1.5 for full time. Then I think that is all for the Republic game. So let me go to, let's see if I have Russia games right here. Let me go to Russia. Let me see if I have Russia Premier League. Yes, good. I have two of them right here. Let me go to check their statistics. Away team is a crazy monks. 24. They have never outscored him. So checking at it, away to win. Well, let's go for first half away win or draw. So we've already got our two odds right here, right? We already got our two odds from the three matches that we are looking for. So this is how simple it is to predict and go with the first slot game. So now it is repeatedly. So once you are done with this one, maybe I decided to book this game, okay, so that I can get the booking code if you are watching this early morning. Okay, that's if you are watching this early morning. Yeah, so you must do repeat this thing 5 times in a day. So for example, if I were to be staking all at 10 cedis and I'm winning 21 cedis plus in all games, at 5 I will have make a total of 600 cedis. Then I will now deduct my 5 stake of it. Now I will have make a total of 100 cedis. Yes, 100 cedis in every day. That means if you do this for a month and you are successful, you are making 3,000 Ghana cedis in a row. So this is a simple strategy that I always use to win too odd early morning, afternoon, or anytime. The strategy all started from the next 3 matches. Just pick it and then make your analysis based on the strategy that you've always been using, because I've shown a lot of strategies video by which you can pick corner, first half over 1.5, first half under 1.5 over 2.5 prediction, and all of that. See you all in my next video. If this video makes sense to you, thanks for that. And the reason for picking Korea games are very, very good in scoring. For example, look at this. We have full in 6 minutes, and then we have over 1.5. We are good to go. Over 1.5, we are good to go. So you can see how simple it is to win the Korea game. See you all in my next video. If you wanted to join the VIP group, link is still in the video description.